Welcome to artbarsurf.com. We are so pleased to introduce you Reddit automation tool, which can create a Reddit account in bank. Also can auto upvote, downvote, follow and follow, join a post in communities, post message, upload evidence, create scrape users, or check karma of Reddit accounts in bank. In this video, we will show you steps to follow or unfollow users on Reddit. There are several basic settings that you have to set up before running any function, so please refer to the video of tutorial how to create Reddit accounts in bank from the minute 1 to minute 10 to see these basic settings. I will post link of this video in the description box. After finishing all the basic settings, we will run the follow and unfollow function here. So at first we will run the follow. At the action section, you select auto follow. Then at the list of users, you will create a text file which will contain the username and accounts that you want to follow. For example, these are accounts that I want to follow, and you can run the scrap user function to get usernames of accounts that you need. Then click to save and click on this icon on the list of users, select the file created, then click OK to run. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software runs. Now we will turn to Unfollow. At the action, you will select Auto Unfollow. With this function, the software will unfollow users that you have followed before. So turn next to the list of users. I have run follow for this list. So these accounts have been followed. Now I will run unfollow for this. Click OK to run. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software runs. These demonstrate that above are the steps that must be taken to follow or unfollow users on Reddit. You can visit artbrowser.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.